Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by inspecting the jeans and confirming they're safe for bleach. 100% cotton reacts predictably. Once checked, run a quick wash to remove finishes that block bleaching. You'll mix a weak solution, 1 part household bleach to 4 parts water in a plastic basin. Do this now. Make sure to wear gloves and eye protection and open a window. You're beginning the chemical process deliberately, not guessing, so prepare a neutralizer, 1 cup vinegar and water, within reach and ready. You apply bleach selectively using a squeeze bottle or spray to control saturation. This prevents overbleaching. Work 1 panel at a time and keep a timer. Check color every 2 to 5 minutes so you can stop when you reach the tone you want. Agitate fabric gently to distribute solution evenly and blot excess with a towel. If fibers start to pill or thin, rinse immediately. Once you achieve the desired lift, neutralize the bleach thoroughly with your vinegar solution to halt the reaction. You finish by rinsing the jeans in cold water until all bleach smell and residue are gone, then wash normally with mild detergent to restore pH balance. Air dry the jeans so you can inspect the final color and fabric integrity. If you see uneven patches, you can rework small areas with a diluted bleach applicator or soften contrast using a diluted dye. Always test on a seam first. If fibers feel compromised, stop bleaching and consider patching or reinforcing with fabric.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.